Welcome back everyone to a new video. Today in this video we're gonna be it's not gonna be like a simulation video like what'll happen if we do that. It's just that in this video we're gonna be walking on each object in the solar system. Yeah, you heard that right. We have so we're gonna be seeing from Mercury and lastly to Neptune, and then we will like be also like doing like some like the dwarf planet. So like guess will be pretty cool. So first up is Mercury, the obvious. So first up is Mercury, the like the obvious option. So like if you like click on that, you might notice this like orbiter and like the land. You press this, and then like you will like just get this wheel, which honestly is insanely cool. Oh, whoa! Like if you could like yeah like yeah I don't know how these glitches and you could like select a place to land. Like let's land here. Mercury looks like the moon. That's like when you just when you look up, you just see the. And wait, we can like just see like Earth, you know, like no joke, like here, right? We can even see Jupiter, but let's zoom in on Earth first. Yeah, I'm seeing it. Like you see this tiny dot like right over there. That's where Earth is. What? That's insane. For some reason, it's so bright. I I think I saw the moon. Beep. The moon is here, it's saying. So like, so somewhere here. Oh, there. That. Oh, you could see it moving in real time. That's insane. To be honest, Mercury is kind of cool. Like, it's like rich in like iron and all. Like, wait a sec. Yeah, these glitches usually happen, but it's not bad actually. It's actually a pretty cool planet. Like people like sometimes say, oh, it's like bad and all because like it's small, but like by the looks of it, it's actually a pretty cool planet. Now recommendations are we should not go here for vacation. Yeah, that's right, everyone. You might know, but the plot twist is that we're gonna be selecting a planet to go for vacation. Next up is like Venus, and okay. Now the thing interesting is that its axis is upside down, and one day is literally longer than a year on Venus. It's like if you don't believe me, here. So if you go to Orbit Helper, it's saying it's 227 in days, right? Right? Well, okay, that's okay. If you go to axis, oh wait, what? Huh? I don't. Wait, that's not true. Okay, it's probably a glitch. So like here's Venus. It's a pretty cool object. Let's go here. Like we could like just see it orbiting. Wait, let's like just see like the Earth like and the Moon again. It's like this time I will be switching UI and like be trying to find them. So oh what? So like let's go. So like we can like go here and yep, the temperature looks like it's like pretty hot. Like how hot? Like 400 and like 70 degrees Celsius. Okay, does it like change like during the day? No, wait, what? Like on the surface of Venus we are. So like if you're like let's just assume we managed to like live on. This is how it looks. Damn. You know, in my opinion, just in my opinion, it kind of looks like a desert, like kind of like a desert. It looks like a desert, except like the clouds are pretty thick and all. But But like at the same time, it's just Venus. Like just go here and like just say it's on the surface of Venus, like dude. So again, it's not a good recommendation to like go on Venus. How hard is like the this? Let's see how does it look like here. Whoa. Okay, it looks weird though. So like this is how it look like. I mean, you cannot see that properly, but still, it looks weird. There. So like, oh yeah, that glitch usually happens. I just don't like it. Now the next stop, it looks like is the Earth. Earth, our favorite planet in the universe. Well, I guess. But here like Earth, and looks pretty cool. So like basically like the city lights, which again is pretty realistic. It has its axis tilted and all, and like you can like go like we can like go to the Nep. Like let's just like orbit. Like let's go to like how about we like go here or like whoa bro, like dude you have to be honest. This looks insanely cool. Like we are like on the Himalayas. Let's like try to like find Mount Everest. I guess I know the best way to do. So like you go here and then you just do this. Yep. Where is that? Is this Mount Everest? Let's cancel. It looks weird though. But still looks pretty cool and like it also has like a moon. Like Luna. We usually pronounce it Luna. But still, our moon is pretty cool. Wait. Yeah, this is like the side which I'm mostly familiar. This side. Sauce. Okay. So like here's like the moon. We're also like gonna take a quick tour of like the moon. Looks very similar to in my opinion, it looks very similar to Mercury in my opinion. It's like unlike Mercury, the terrain on the moon isn't that rough unless you like go to places like here. I have an idea like what we could do with the moon, like that Apollo thingy which they made. Like why don't we like Earth rise from like the moon at like this view? So like we're gonna be in orbit. So that's what I like to like have. What no, stay on the moon. Something like kind of like this. I think you might see like a picture where the like the like the Earth's like the Earth like coming out. I will like let me just lay the picture right over here and like and I will like I like you should like see of like the similarities. Okay, next up is like the Mars. Like where's Mars? Mars is very hard to find. Oh, I found it though. I would just say it kind of looks like a red a potato though. Oh, okay, I mean I'm just kidding. But at the same time, Mars is like pretty cool. I heard like humans are like planning to like colonize it in the future. It's like they do have dust storms though. Here's Phobos, like nice, like nice. I want to see of like how how big does my Mars like look like from Phobos. So here's Phobos. Okay, to be honest, relative, you saw like how far like the moon was to the Earth, right? This is how far the Phobos is to Mars. Dude, like it's kind of insane. Imagine, and you woke up and you just see just red thing, and we go like just like, and since it's so close to Mars, like I guess like solar eclipses are like a little bit more common. Like Let's try looking at Phobos from Mars. So like Phobos here. So like where we should land? Like we should like land like so like here. I wanna see how Phobos looks. So like yeah, there it is, right over there, like in the circle. Let's zoom in. Like, dude, what? So okay, it looks pretty cool, I would say, by the looks of it. Nice, I would say. Here's Phobos, and like, oh wait, oh I forgot. Before we go to Phobos, I want to. There's something else I would like to see in Mars. Like to like, yeah, Olympus Mons, and like this, like the largest can. Olympus Mons is like the tallest. Is like the tallest thingy, and I mean mountain on Mars, bro. Like, where is it again? I forgot. So by the so it looks like by like the kind of like the looks of it, this looks like it's like the this is where Olympus Mons is. I like this a little bit more because yeah, being on the tallest mountain in our solar system is insane. But be honest, it's cool here, right? It's negative 58 degrees Celsius. Here's Phobos, the farthest moon of Mars. Let's just stand on Phobos. Oh, why is it glitched, bruh? Anyways, if we look, so here's like Mars. We could like try to like zoom. Oh no, okay. I guess is that like that's okay. Anyways, we are going to move on to the gas giant. Okay, like now we're like here Jupiter, and like Jupiter's like the biggest planet in this the solar system. I mean, like how many moons like Jupiter has? Like it has like 97 and moons. But look at it, like it looks insane. Like you can like see Europa, you know. Sadly, we cannot land on like Jupiter's surface. However, solar eclipses are very common. Instead, why don't we just land on like one of like Jupiter's moons? Let's pick like a Callisto, like or like probably more. Let's just do Europa. Europa's a little bit cooler, though. So like here's like Europa. I mean, I'm not saying on it, just like these. I heard like it has like a large underground ocean, and like NASA just sent a probe there to like study it. So like let's actually just land on Jupiter. Hmm. So if you're on Jupiter, you would like most likely see solar eclipses probably like once a day because like it's very common to just have solar eclipses at there. Oh, and we could also like there's like this big storm right over there. Let's land like near it. Here's like the storm. Okay, it's not that cool, but still like the storm looks extremely cool. Fun fact about this storm, it's actually as big as Earth. Now the next object we are gonna be going to is looks like it's Saturn. Saturn has like 200 moons, and mostly people and Saturn is mostly famous because oh my god, like it's rings. Like we could like land on it. Like let's land right over here. So like let's search of UI and bro. Like like people mostly wish for like Earth to have like rings and all. And like I have to like agree, like it's so cool of like imagining it that Earth has rings because like well, be honest, Saturn's rings is cool. Here's like Titan, and like that's Saturn's second largest. I mean, Saturn's largest moon. So like, I'm pretty sure Titan is like famous for because it's the only, not the only object, but but it has like a atmosphere very similar to the Earth. But the atmosphere is made out of like methane gas. So yeah. Next up, we're gonna be okay. I want this. Next up, we're gonna be going to a planet which has a very appropriate name, Uranus. Now, the thing about Uranus is that it's different. It acts as like this, and it's the coldest object in this. Not the coldest object, but the coldest planet in the solar system. Like, look, negative 154. This is what your day. This is like, oh, bro, what? Like, this is what a day will look like on like this. So like, we can at least see the sun though. Okay, it's getting dizzy. We could like land on like, where's? We could like land on Titania. Do they have terrain? Sadly they don't. But let's just land on it. So like Titania is like kind of like it's like this largest moon of Uranus and like and like what is this? And like where can we see Uranus again? Like where is it? Well, where is it? Where? Oh, I guess you're like on the wrong side. So like let's go to Uranus. So like Uranus actually has rings, but let me just put them custom. We are gonna put no, they aren't that big. Wait, oh yeah, I forgot. They have like split braid. Let me do some adjustments. So like it looks like this. So like inner radius. I'm a little bit bad at like this stuff. Like probably like this. If we could like increase the brightness. Like this is how like Uranus pretty much looks like. Looks weird, like super weird. And there is planets. Neptune. Okay, so like this is Neptune and like it has multiple objects orbiting it. Proteus is like a very famous planet. But the planet which I like the most about Neptune is Triton. The thing about Triton is that it's different and is that this is that unlike the other moons, it orbits like retrograde. Bro, what? Okay, for some reason it's like not like let me show you. Like wait, there's like a storm. So like Proteus is going this way and look Triton is going this way. Like you cannot be honest, like okay fine. Like be honest, it has to be going retrograde. But there's like another thing about it is that in the future, when Trident is going retrograde, meaning like its velocity will slow down so much that it'll just fall into Neptune. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. It's very appreciated that you like watch these videos. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.